So we start off today's video with the I'm cold makeup trend. This is perfect for those who want to get like a nice little winterized makeup look. I love her copper hair color, so pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to be filled with trendy makeup ideas that you can play around with this winter season. So if you are currently hunting for a brand new makeup look, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this one a big thumbs up, and you'll stay up to date to all the latest and the hottest trends. Gorgeous, love that pop of red lip with the whites. So she does an inner white corner for her eyes. Beautiful outline lip. And then we have a more colorful makeup look. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I love how she did the snowflakes mixed with the color. Oh, wow. I love that wig she had with the blue. That was really cute. So for this one, she added some really pretty jewels. I love that idea. The crystals, you can do pearls. And this particular makeup look is giving like a nice hot cocoa feel. And then we move back into that I'm cold makeup trend. So this particular trend is all about doing like frosted colors, making it look like you just stepped outside. So she's doing her makeup in reverse. Oh, this is like a zombie. Oh, that's freaky. Wow. And then we have that hot cocoa makeup trend again. This one infuses a lot of neutrals, beautiful brown shades. Kind of giving like that clean girl aesthetic. And then once again with the I'm cold makeup trend. Nice frosted eye color with the white and the nice fleshy tint on the lips. Wow, she has absolutely beautiful glowy skin. So she does a nice flush of color here on the cheeks as well, maintaining her glow. And it looks like she also does the I'm cold makeup look here. It's nice to see it on different skin tones. So pretty. Her makeup looks so fresh and glowy. So she is rocking that bleached eyebrow trend. I love how she has that paired with the bold red hair color. That is so pretty. A subtle flush of colors on the cheeks. And she goes a bit bold on the lip there. A little bit of jewels by the eyebrows. And then we have another cold girl makeup look. Trying it on darker skin. And then of course that liquid blush is going to give you that nice flushy tone. Really creating a beautiful glow. And then once again, we have that hot cocoa makeup trend that infuses a lot of browns and neutral shades. Perfect for like an everyday makeup look. So if you guys have found inspiration within this video and you think you're going to be trying out any of these makeup looks this winter season, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Here we go again with that bleached eyebrow look. Wow. That was beautiful. And we got another I'm cold makeup look. Reverse cat eye. Her style has like a very strong like retro vibe to it. I love the bangs. So pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.